In this video, you are all going to learn modal auxiliaries. Modals, the verbs can, could, may, might, will, would, shall, should, must and ought are called modal verbs or modals. Let us see can, could, will, would, shall, should, may, might, must, ought to in this video. Can, to get or give permission, ability or capacity, we use can. Can I borrow your umbrella? It's a permission. He can speak English, ability. Can you lift this box? Requisition. Could, to express ability in past, to give permission and request, more polite than can. He said, I could swim across the river when I was young. Ability in past. Could you please provide me with an oxygen cylinder? It's a request more polite than can. Will, to express willingness, characteristic, habit, to make promise and to make a request, we use will. I will carry your books, willing. He will talk about nothing but movie, characteristic, habit. I will help you the next time. It's a promise. Will you lend me your bike? It's a request. Would, to express a strong desire, habit in the past, request more polite than will. Would you please help me? It's a request. I would like to speak with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. It's a strong desire. I would read for hours. Habit in the past. Shall, to express willingness, get suggestion and advice, we use shall auxiliary verb. I shall show the flower, willingness. Which pen shall I buy? Asking advice. Where shall we go? Asking suggestion. Note this, shall is used in the first person. Today we shall is less common than I will. Should, to express duty or obligation. We should obey the laws. Duty. Children should obey their parents. It's an obligation. May, to give and to get permission and possibilities. May I come in? Giving permission. You may go now. Getting permission. He may come tomorrow. Possibility. Might, less possibility than may and expressing uncertainty in the past. He might have left the house. Uncertainty. They might have caught the thief. It might rain tomorrow. Less possibility than may. Must, to express compulsion or necessity. You must wear mask. It's a compulsion. You must keep to the left to avoid accident. It's a necessity. Ought to. To express moral obligation or desirability. We ought to love our neighbors. It's a moral obligation. You ought to know better. Thank you.